In this video, we're exploring 10 machines with different money-making opportunities, from plywood and DTF printing to coffee, bubble wrap, wall printing, and interactive dance floors. Some need only a few $1,000s to start, while others can power a full-scale manufacturing business. But which one has the biggest potential? Let's find out. Wood veneer peeling machine. It is a profitable business opportunity in the booming plywood industry. This automated production line quickly removes bark from logs and produces smooth, high-quality veneer sheets with impressive speed and precision. With an investment of just $7,000 to $10,000, you can start a profitable manufacturing business supplying plywood factories, furniture makers, and construction companies. The real profit comes from converting low-cost timber logs into high-value veneer sheets used in furniture, interiors, and modern construction. Since the machine works with high efficiency and low labor requirements, it can produce large volumes every day, creating strong profit margins. As demand grows, this business can easily expand into full plywood production and decorative veneer manufacturing, making it a scalable long-term industrial business. DTF printer machine is turning small custom printing businesses into powerful money-making brands. With a startup investment of just $1,000 to $3,000, this compact machine can print eye-catching designs on t-shirts, hoodies, backpacks, canvas bags, aprons, jeans, and jackets with vibrant color quality and long-lasting durability. Unlike traditional printing methods, DTF technology requires no complicated pre-processing, making production faster, easier, and perfect for quick customer orders. This business works especially well in today's personalized fashion market, where customers want custom clothing for brands, events, gaming communities, schools, and social media trends. Using eco-friendly water-based ink and DTF PET film, even beginners can start production after simple training. The real income comes from bulk merchandise orders, online clothing stores, influencer brands, and local custom printing services. Because the machine supports rapid mass production with low operating costs, small startup teams can scale quickly and build a highly profitable print-on-demand business from home or a small workshop. Commercial slush machine. Want to turn a simple drink into a profitable business? The commercial slush machine could be a great low-investment opportunity, with machines priced around $350 to $780. Designed for restaurants, cafes, juice shops, food trucks, and small beverage businesses, it can produce colorful frozen drinks that attract customers, especially during hot weather. The business model is simple. Buy affordable ingredients, create popular slush flavors, and sell each serving at a much higher retail price. You can offer fruit slushies, flavored drinks, and seasonal specials while keeping the menu simple and easy to manage. With the right location and steady customer traffic, this compact machine can become an affordable way to start a beverage business and build additional income. Dance floor interaction. Imagine turning an ordinary floor into an interactive attraction that people actually stop to watch. An interactive LED dance floor can create exactly that experience, making it a powerful business opportunity for shopping malls, retail stores, hotels, events, advertising agencies, and entertainment venues. The money-making model is simple. Instead of only selling the LED screen, you can build a rental and event service business around it. Rent the interactive floor for weddings, concerts, exhibitions, brand promotions, dance events, and mall campaigns. You can also offer customized advertising content and interactive visuals, giving businesses a reason to pay for both the equipment and the creative service. With indoor and outdoor options, sunlight-readable displays, and customizable designs, this type of LED technology can become a high-value entertainment and advertising asset that generates income from repeated rentals and commercial projects. Laundry pod making. What if you could turn a simple, everyday product into a scalable manufacturing business? A water-soluble laundry pod making machine can produce around 50 to 100 detergent pods per minute, making it suitable for businesses that want to enter the fast-growing household cleaning market. With a machine investment of around $50,000, this setup is designed for consistent, automated production rather than small-scale, manual packaging. The business model is based on manufacturing and supplying private label laundry and dishwasher pods to supermarkets, cleaning brands, wholesalers, hotels, and online retailers. The PVA water-soluble film dissolves in water, offering a convenient packaging solution for detergent products. Instead of selling directly to individual customers, entrepreneurs can focus on bulk orders and private label contracts, creating recurring revenue as brands regularly restock their products. With efficient production and strong B2B demand, this can become a scalable manufacturing business. Air bubble film production. Every package you receive needs protection, and that creates a huge business opportunity. With an air bubble wrap machine, you can manufacture one of the most widely used packaging materials in the world. This machine produces PE air bubble film used for protecting electronics, furniture, household products, parcels, bicycles, and many other goods during transportation. With automated controls, efficient production, and reliable roll winding, it helps maintain consistent quality while reducing production costs. The business model focuses on B2B packaging supply. You can manufacture bubble wrap rolls and sell them in bulk to e-commerce sellers, courier companies, furniture stores, electronics dealers, moving companies, and packaging distributors. With recurring wholesale orders, this can become a scalable manufacturing business with multiple revenue opportunities. Automatic coffee vending machine. What if you could run a coffee business without opening a cafe? An automatic coffee vending machine can turn high-traffic locations into compact, self-service coffee shops with an investment of around $7,000. Built with durable galvanized steel and a compressor cooling system, the machine helps protect ingredients and maintain consistent coffee quality. Wi-Fi connectivity also allows remote monitoring and management, making daily operations easier. The business model is simple. Place the machine in shopping malls, offices, hospitals, universities, hotels, or transport hubs, then earn revenue from every cup sold. With multiple machines across different locations, you can build a scalable vending network without the high costs of traditional cafes. Portable car spray booth. Imagine starting a car painting business without building an expensive workshop. This inflatable spray booth gives you a portable workspace that can be set up wherever a suitable working area is available, opening the door to a flexible mobile auto service business. The business opportunity is to offer mobile car painting, refinishing, and detailing services, while also renting the booth to auto body shops, dealerships, and independent painters. Instead of relying on one income source, the same equipment can generate money through both services and rentals. 3D wall printing machine. What if you could walk into an empty room and turn its walls into a custom work of art without using wallpaper or traditional painting? That's where a 3D UV wall printer comes in. At around $2,000, this machine can print detailed, vibrant designs directly onto ceramic, tiles, brick, cement, wood, glass, acrylic, and many other surfaces. The business opportunity is to sell custom wall printing as a service. Restaurants can order branded walls, hotels can create premium interiors, businesses can print logos and promotional designs, while homeowners can transform bedrooms and living spaces with personalized artwork. You simply bring the machine to the location, print the design directly onto the surface, and charge for the completed project. With every wall becoming a potential canvas, one machine can serve multiple industries and create a flexible, creative business. Coffee maker espresso machine. A cup of premium espresso can cost just a few dollars to make, but customers are willing to pay much more for the experience. That's what makes an automatic coffee maker an interesting opportunity for a small cafe, coffee kiosk, or takeaway business. The business model is simple. Set up in a busy location, serve espresso-based drinks such as lattes, cappuccinos, and americanos, and increase revenue through add-ons like pastries or snacks. With the right location and repeat customers, this compact coffee setup can become a scalable beverage business.